What exactly is Pradosh Vrat and why is the evening time called Pradosh Kal and considered so special for worshipping Lord Shiva?
Pradosh is a very auspicious day. If you pray to Lord Shiva on this day, as per the Shastra, your all your wishes will come true. So Pradosh Kal is a time 30 minutes before the sunrise, before the sunset and after the sunset, 30 minutes. And even daily Pradosh Kal, like daily this time you have to pray to Lord Shiva if you're devotee to Lord Shiva. And you're praying to Lord Shiva daily during this time also have a tremendous benefits and all your wishes will come true. But make sure that this is a time where Lord Shiva is in a very good avastha, where he's in avastha of blessing state and he's there to bless us during this time. So try to avoid doing gossip during the time. Even means should not eat or should not drink water during this time also. Try to meditate and chant Namah Shivaya. As Pradosh is the 13th day, every this comes in every increasing moon and the decreasing moon. On every 13 days, the Pradosh day come, and this is a very good day for manifesting things, and especially as per the Shastra. If you're facing financial related problem, if you have any type of scarcity of finances or you're facing problem related to the career, then this is a very good day to do the fasting and do the remedies to overcome the challenges, especially connected to the finances, or if you have any type of karmic blockages. Just like Ekadashi is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, so Pradosh is dedicated to Lord Shiva. So if you're devotee to Lord Shiva, then you should pray on this.
When is Pradosh this week and what people should do in the Pradosh Vrat?
So this time Pradosh is on Tuesday, that is of 25th of August, and as it is coming on Tuesday, so this is a very good day if you have any type of loans and debts on you, because Tuesday is connected to the energies of the Mangal, Mars, and if you have any type of finances related problem, you have loans and debts on you and you are struggling finances wise, then this is a very good day. Try to do fasting on this day. So after doing the fasting, make sure that your thoughts are very clear, and try to do fasting only on fruits or only on water, as you are sacrificing when you do fasting. So try to do the sacrifices after the sunset. You can check your sunset time as per your area. You can just go on our website, that is chalchakra.com, and you can check the sunset time, and after the sunset you can have one time of meal, but make sure that you avoid having onion and garlic on this day, especially between 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. And you can check your sunset time also, means 30 minutes before the sunset and after the sunset. Just try to do few things to attract abundance in your life and even for the wish fulfillment. As it is coming on Tuesday, then what you have to do, you have to take a bel patra, you have to write Ram on it with chandan and offer the same to Lord Shiva, if that possible. Second thing, if you make listen Lord Shiva Sita Ram, then also it will help you out to overcome your past life karmic blockages related to the Mangal, and problems related to the loans and debts can be solved. So if you can play Sita Ram and try to meditate on Sita Ram, it will help you out. And even if you can listen Shiv Sehasnam sitting near the Bel Patra, because Bel Patra is connected to goddess Lakshmi too. So if you are sitting, if you are playing if you are playing the Shiv Sehasnam sitting near the Bel Patra and meditating on it, remembering Lord Shiva, it has a tremendous benefit. It will help you out to overcome your karmic blockages and the finances.
Any more remedies you can suggest which people can do on Pradosh?
So the best remedy that you can do, Pradosh, is try to do Rudra Abhishek, try to offer water to Shiva, offer curd to Shiva, honey to Shiva. In any case, you are not in such a country where it's not possible you to offer the same to the Shivling, then you can do the Mansik Puja also. The Mansik Puja link has already been shared. So we are going to reshare it on the description. So you can go and you can listen to it, remembering Lord Shiva on this day. So on the regular basis, if you're doing the Pradosh fasting, you will notice that you will be able to overcome the financial blockages. But when you're doing fasting, then fasting need to be very sattvic. It is not only like you're not eating you're not eating on that day, but as well as you should be very clear with your thoughts. You should have no jealousy, no regrets, no anger on this day. Try to be calmer and just try to remember Lord Shiva. If you are not able to do anything on this day, then just a simple thing that you have to do the fasting and chant Namah Shivaya between 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. And this is a time where you have to chant Namah Shivaya, remembering Lord Shiva, and of course the trust, faith, and surrender to Lord Shiva. Surrender all your problems to Lord Shiva. Tell him all your problems and ask him a perfect wish. Let Shiva help me to come out of my problems and do what is best for me. So this is a day what you have to ask the wish for, and it's a very, the energies will be very high. All your wishes will come true.